Alright guys, today on our BMW E46, we are going to be replacing the brake light. Super simple in here. You'll notice, like, cover that light, there's a knob right there. You just need to grab it on this knob, just give it a turn counterclockwise. Hear it unscrew. Want to pull our light assembly out. There we go. Just set it down, and then we know our brake light is going to be this top one. Just push, twist, and it pops out. And I just went down to the part store, just got the light bulb 7506. Grab the new bulb, stick it in, push, just a little quarter twist clockwise there. And that is in. We're going to set everything back up in place. Put it back in its holes. Push. And twist clockwise until it locks into place. And that, my friend, is done. Now, if you like what you saw here on replacing your brake light, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And we will see you next time.